What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Trading Crypto. Got a request to go over Moonwell or Well, which is up 3% at 6 cents. Very small market cap of only 186 million. Circulating supply of 2.9 billion out of 5 billion. All-time high on this bad boy was 2 years ago. So December 21st, 2022, this thing, oh, that's all-time low. All-time low was 2 years ago at 002. All-time high was also 2 years ago at 29 cents. Wow, 29 cents from 6, and we're entering the parabolic phase of the bull run. That's not a bad deal. They do have a little bit of a warning right here. I don't know what this is. Moonwell has recently migrated from their old contract to new contract. Find more information here. Do your own research. We'll click on the post. Hopefully it doesn't bring us to any inappropriate sites. Native Wells live. Oh, okay. So they went to base. That's a good move. I like that because they got off, what is this, moon whatever, and then they went over to base. So that's a good play in my personal opinion, them going to a more popular chain. So with that, let's get into the price prediction and technical analysis on Moonwell. All right, ladies and gents, we're getting the Moonwell here. This is actually a very, very beautiful chart right here. It looks like the bottom came in January 2023. We came very, very close July 2023 and October 2023, which October of 2023 was the entire bear market bottom. Since then, we've been putting in higher highs and higher lows since the October 2023 bottom, which majority of coins have been doing. If we look at the day chart right now, we're going to do the indicators and draw some fibs. The day chart right now is not bad. We heavy, the deepest we've ever gone bearish on the MACD, and it's been cooling off the last 3 days. The last 3 days have been bullish, have been less and less and less bearish, heading towards the bullish side, which means that we could be gearing up for movement to the upside. On top of that, the RSI had a double top, and it's looking like it's near reset. So the RSI is looking pretty dang good as well, near reset. If I draw, yeah, actually, it actually looks pretty good. There's two lines I want to draw here. If you draw a horizontal line right here, and then you draw a horizontal line right here, I would say right here, this looks like it's the general support area for the RSI for Well. So we could bounce off anywhere from this general area. If we do happen to break below 40, that's when I would start being concerned, but I really don't think that's going to be the case. I think we're nearing probably a good accumulation zone for Moonwell, buy low, sell high, right? Top of that, the WTX is looking good. Heavy correction after multiple sell signals. So we'll monitor that closely as well. Right now it's starting to slowly roll over and not go straight down, but we'll keep a close eye. One thing I want to point out here is the uptrend that has been in place since August of September 2024. We did unfortunately break below that, so that is a little concerning in my personal opinion. So we'll monitor that closely as well. Another thing is the prior high from March 2024. Let me draw it right on the body of the candle. We need to stay above. We need to stay above 5. What is this? 5.5, 5.6. Let's see if we're above that. Yeah, we need to stay above this area. This is our area of support right here. This is actually our life support. We do not want to break below this current range. This is when the most fear is actually had. Normally, the best buying opportunity, but it's so scary to buy when you're at a life support area. So we'll keep a close eye on that as well. Moonwell from the high to the low currently. Let's go to the low. 786. So yeah, I don't think Moonwell's gonna be falling below this area. I actually am going to draw a green box here for you guys. I think this is going to be the area to keep a very close eye on between 5.6 and 5. What is this? 5.3. This is our area to find our support. If we happen to fall below the 786, that's when we can start being concerned. But the indicators are looking really good. We're not overbought. Everything looks completely reset. It does look like we're gearing up for the next push to the upside. Now, Moonwell, very small market cap, only 186 million. If I had to make a guess during the bull run high, I normally go up to the 236 and then flirt with the 1236. For example, high to the low right here. There is the 1236 right here at about $3.75. You can see when it initially launched, it was 89 cents. I would not knock $3-4 for a possibility of this bull run. And then during the blow off phase, you tend to have like 1 or 2 days of flirting around with this no man's land right here. But realistically, I would be looking for something most likely around that 350 to $4 range top during the bull run. Anything over that is just extra money, but it's very, very hard to catch that 1-2 day of parabolic movement, because you'll be like, oh my God, this is going to the moon, when really it's the top. So buy fear, sell greed. As of right now, Moonwell doesn't look bad. It looks like the indicators are reset. I think there's another thing I wanted to draw here, if I'm not mistaken. This, yeah, uptrend resistance. Yeah, let's not worry about that. We'll update you guys on Moonwell. We're looking good. You have to stay above that main life support that I talked about. Indicators are looking solid. It doesn't look like we're to fall below that. Not financial advice, but I don't own any Moonwell, but it does look like a prime opportunity to pick some up before we start rallying to the next resistance, which is around 25 cents. Actually, the next resistance is the 618 at 9-10 cents, and then you have the 21 cents. So from where we're currently at, back up to the 618, that's a 63% gain right there. Then up to the 786 is a 3.5x. So this isn't looking bad right now, in my personal opinion. I'm just keeping a close eye on it. So with that, none of this is financial advice. And if there's any coins you'd like me to chart, you can just send me a super chat in the comments and I'll get to your coin as soon as possible. Thank you.